guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. So you have a clog sink with a food disposal and it's completely sinking. No matter what you do, it's like on right now. No matter what you do, it is clogged. Obviously the plunger is not going to work very well on this side because that's where the food disposal is at, and on this one occasionally it may work. However, because of the way these things are designed, we're gonna have to get the disassemble the tubes. All right, so this is the way it works. Got the food disposal right here, and it crushes it and it sends it to this pipe, and right here, that's where the problem is. Right here is a division, and it kind of makes it flat. It kind of makes it small, and that's where the if the food doesn't get crushed properly, or if the food processor, the food disposal is not very good, well, that's where it's gonna get stuck. So, well, first of all, well, you're gonna have to have a couple of containers because it's gonna be a lot of water. So we're gonna have to have a couple of containers, and we're gonna take here on the trap. I'm gonna take that one so that way we can start dripping the water out. Okay. You might want to get a bigger container. It's up to you. But we have to first. We're gonna have to try to get rid of all the water that is up there, so that way we don't make a mess on the bottom. All right. Sometimes you need pliers to do this, sometimes you don't. Depend who did it. Okay. So, I want you to take a look in here. Okay. Now, it's still leaking because, see, got all that water still stuck in there. Now, we want to take the T off in here. And we have to lose this one too. Okay, so I want you to see that. I want you to see that with a light. See how clogged it is? It looks like mud, actually. So that's where the problem is. This, see, I can see there's potatoes. It just got so clogged, really bad. Yeah. If you don't like how it looks, that I'm doing it with bare hands, don't do it. So I don't know why they threw in here, but what I'm doing is that I'm getting rid of all the stuff that it's inside. Okay guys, so I got pretty much all the food that it was on this pipe, and I want you to see inside there. I hope the camera catches it, but it's like halfway the pipe. That's the way they made it. I don't know why, but this is the way the design is. I don't know if they're all like that, but I assume it is. This is so that way the water from the top can go down, and the water from the food processor or the food disposal can go through here. And this is where most of the time it gets stuck. If the food disposal is not crushing the food properly, or it's a cheap one, it might get stuck. So you gotta be careful with that. But this is pretty much what the problem is on most of the cases. It's quite easy. Okay, so now I got most of the water from up there in here. And we're about to put the T or the pipe or whatever you want to call it. Make sure you got the gaskets, the O-rings, the plastic, whatever you want to call them, and push it. Trying to do it with one hand, but I can't, so I'm gonna figure something out. Let's see if you can catch it. All right. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend this pipe a little bit, make sure it doesn't get loose on the other end. I hope you saw that. All right. Got it. And I'm gonna proceed to tighten both. Remember, when you have a good gasket, you don't need pliers to tighten this thing up. With your hands, it should be enough. Now, if it's not enough, what you can do is grab a towel, and you can have more grip. All right, and then this one too. All right, got it. All right, so the other piece fell off, so we have to make sure that you put it right. Now this gasket, see this? The narrow part, it has to be facing down, or it has to be facing the other part. So you put the bolt, the nut first, and then the gasket. Okay, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna take this out, and I'm gonna bring this up back in here, and I'm gonna proceed by tightening this thing. All right, use a towel to tighten it. All right, and it's pretty much done, the bottom part. Okay, so we pretty much got the pipe done. It's just the T where the problem is at, and we're gonna find out on top. This is nothing but food in there. Just gonna clean it, let the water go. I'm gonna turn the water on. Gonna look for leaks on the bottom, and that seems pretty good. Now we're gonna check the food processor. It works good. There's something in there, but I'll get it out. I just want to make sure the water goes out. And as far as the leak goes, it's fixed. Alright, so this is it. We're gonna clean the mess, put everything back together. Alright guys, that's all it takes. See you in another edition of Tips for Dummies. Remember, when you have a food processor, most likely the problem is on the T. Remove the T and you got the problem fixed.